subscribe. Today we're making tacos dorados de Camaron. These are very delicious, along with the slaw, Mexican slaw, and our spicy green salsa. Let's get started with our cabbage slaw. So we chopped up cabbage and carrots, and we're gonna start with our ingredients with sour cream and mayonnaise. That's all you need for this Mexican slaw. It combines well with our tacos Dorados. And let's go ahead and put a pretty big spoon of sour cream. That's about 2 big spoons. I'm finishing tacos. I'm finishing the sour cream here that I had left.
I like tacos and some sides.
Now we're gonna add some mayonnaise. A tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay, no more mayonnaise. That's a bad word. And we're gonna combine all these ingredients together with the carrot and the cabbage, the mayonnaise, and the sour cream. Make sure you, I think I'm gonna need a little bit more mayonnaise on here, but it's looking really good. Let's go ahead and add another tablespoon of mayonnaise. We don't want it too dry here. And then we'll finish off stirring this around. And as you can see, the consistency of this, it's looking and let's try it. Yep, and that's where I need a little bit more mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and put this on a bowl so we can put it on the fridge, and then so it can get really cold, and it'll taste even better cold. Now that our slaw is ready, we're gonna go ahead and start our tacos with pico de gallo, your preference of cheese, and shrimp. We chopped the shrimp up to small little pieces so they can combine well in the tacos. Let's go ahead and get our oil ready in a pot. And you can use any type of oil you like. And we have our oil drain for our tacos. So make sure you put some tortillas in a Ziploc or in a plastic bag, whatever you like. And we're going to go ahead and pop them in the microwave for a minute. This will make the tortilla soft enough a bit in order for it to not break. So we got to heat them up for a bit. So now that we have our oil heated in a pan, let's go ahead and start making our tacos. So we have our tortilla here. We're gonna add our cheese, our shrimp, a little spoonful of shrimp. You want them packed. You don't want them too packed. You don't want the food coming out of the tortilla. Okay, give me a second. We're gonna add our pico de gallo. Oh yes, make sure you season your shrimp. Garlic salt. I forgot to add that in the beginning. Put some garlic salt on your shrimp. That way it adds a little flavor into these tacos. See how they come out inside. They're like beautiful already. We're gonna put this on medium low. We don't want the tortilla to burn, and we want to toast these up. You can deep fry them with tons of oil. Just make sure you put some toothpicks so the food won't come out of the tortilla. And let's go ahead and make more of these tacos. Trust me, they're gonna be very delicious. Let's be creative. I mean, you can put whatever you want inside these tacos dorados. You want to put octopus, you want to put fish, whatever you like. Be creative, like I said. Whatever you want in these tacos dorados, you can put in them. Make sure they're medium low, and once they're brown on one side, you can go ahead and turn it. So the process just continues the same. Now let's make our salsa. So our salsa is going to be about 4 lemons, and we're going to squeeze them, remove the seed, and put it into a blender or a Ninja, whatever you have. We're gonna blend some serranos with it, about 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 serranos and 2 clavos de olor, 2 cloves. We're gonna add granulated garlic for flavor, and we're gonna add some salt to taste. We're gonna go ahead and blend all of this together, and as quick as that, we have our salsa. It's very spicy, so you can try to add jalapenos if you don't want that spicy. So as you can see, there's our finished product. You can either open this taco or you can just put everything on top. Let's start off with avocado. Here we go. And then some of our salad that we made on the side. And our salsa, green salsa. There you go. Finished product. Yum, yum, yum. We did it, you guys. I promise you guys will not regret this recipe. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share. Let people know you make some good tacos dorados de Camaron. And subscribe, share, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Until next video.